Hey guys, welcome back to hashincludeelectronics with another video, and in this video we are going to make 4-in-1 robot using Arduino. This robot will run in 4 different modes: line follower, obstacle avoiding, line follower with obstacle avoiding and object following mode. So let's get started and build this robot. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit subscribe button below and press bell icon to get latest updates. For making this 4-in-1 robot, we will need Arduino Uno, 4 TT DC gear motors, 4 wheels, wooden plate for car chassis, 4 IR sensor modules, SCSR04 ultrasonic sensor, servo motor, L298N motor driver module, 7 to 12 volt DC battery, in our case LiPo 2S battery, breadboard, glue gun, double-sided tape and few jumper wires. Let's assemble the robot now. First, let's solder wires to gear motors. Mount all 4 motors on car chassis using glue gun. Attach L298N motor driver module on car chassis using double-sided tape. Connect servo motor connector to bracket. Connect ultrasonic sensor to bracket using screws. Attach this assembly to servo motor. Now connect 2 IR sensor to this assembly. Mount servo motor on car chassis using glue gun. Connect wheels to car now. Attach bottom to IR sensors to car chassis using glue gun. Now let's make a connection as per circuit diagram. Now connect left side motors to out 3 and out 4 pins of motor driver module. Connect right side motors to out 1 and out 2 pins of L298N motor driver module. Place Arduino Uno on car chassis using double-sided tape. Place breadboard power rail on chassis for 5 volt and ground connection. Connect L298N motor driver module to Arduino Uno pins as per table. Now connect bottom right IR sensor to A0 pin of Arduino. Connect bottom left IR sensor to A1 pin of Arduino. Now connect top left IR sensor to A2 pin of Arduino. Connect top right IR sensor to A3 pin of Arduino. Connect ultrasonic sensor to Arduino Uno pins. Connect servo motor to Arduino D3 pin. Connect 5 volt and ground to Arduino Uno. Attach DC battery power connectors to motor driver module to 12 volt pin and ground pin. Attach wires to +5 volt and ground pins of motor driver module. We will take +5 volt and ground from L298N motor driver module and provide to this power rail. Let's take a quick look at the code now. First, we need to install NewPing library. Go to Tools and Library Manager. Search for NewPing and install it. Inside code, we need to include this servo and NewPing library. Then we have defined our robot's different modes. You need to change this robot control mode to set current robot mode. Then we need to define pins for servo and ultrasonic sensor. Set pins for top and bottom IR sensor. We have assigned the right and left motor pins. Create object of NewPing class to handle ultrasonic sensor. Create object of servo class as myServo. Inside setup function, we need to set up motor pins as output. Attach servo pins and write initial value as 90 degree, that is middle position. Then set up IR sensor pins as input. Initially stop both the motors using rotate motor function, which takes right and left motor speed as argument. We have created obstacle avoiding control function to handle obstacle avoiding mode. You can adjust the speed of motors if your robot needs speed adjustment here. We have created line follower control function to handle line follower mode. You can adjust speed accordingly. We have created line follower with obstacle avoiding control function to handle line follower with obstacle avoiding mode. You can adjust the speed accordingly. We have created object following control function to handle object following mode. We have created adjust robot to avoid object while following line function. This is used to adjust the robot position to avoid objects while following line. We have created rotate motor function which takes right and left motor speed. It will rotate motor in forward or backward direction. Inside loop function based on robot control mode, we will call respective function to control robot. I have provided the link to the code in the description below. You can upload it directly. Now let's upload the code for obstacle avoiding mode. Connect Arduino to laptop using USB cable. Select Arduino Uno board and port. Hit upload. Connect battery to car now. That's it. Let's see how it works. Let's change the mode to line follower in code. Now upload the code. You need to calibrate the bottom IR sensor so that if it detects black line, then the IR LED should not glow. Change the mode to line follower with obstacle avoiding. Upload the code. Change the mode to object following in code. Upload the code now. You need to calibrate the top IR sensor so that if you bring hand near sensor, it should detect it and IR LED should glow. You need to remember following important points. You might need to adjust the speed of robot accordingly if using different voltage battery. Calibrate the IR sensors. Please use only rechargeable battery. Hope you guys enjoyed the video and thanks for watching. Stay safe and please like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.